Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time, please subscribe or press that red button. Okay, so in this video we are going to eat our delicious food we prepare. So this is my groundnut soup with corn and beans powder. Okay, so swallow. So this is my Manuela and Philip food. Okay, follow us as we want to eat. Subscribe, press that red button. Mwah! This food is delicious. Manuela, follow us. This is delicious food. Oh. Gbèsíbẹ̀ fẹ́ bomi ó fẹ́ ṣanwó
Beautiful people, thank you for joining us. Sorry. Thank you for joining us. This is peanut soup, groundnut soup with spinach and scent leaf. So the video is on our YouTube channel. This is so delicious. The fufu we are eating is beans powder and corn.
This food delicious.
This flies.
Try and prepare this food for your family.
Water
with fresh mackerel fish.
This is very lovely.
One nice.
Philip, we are it. You've taken water enough now.
No pepper.
Anola, do you like this food? Yummy.
Try and prepare this food.
This soup is
and the swallow
200 over 100.
Philip,
Philip, eat now. Leave water. Yeah, eat. Mm. Soup. Kilo. The soup is delicious.
I want to take more soup.
If you want to add, please let it be many. It's good sometimes when you after eating you lick the soup.
Water is finished. Omi ló kúnnú ẹ o.
Hey. Viewer, pardon us, so you are invited.
Yeah, you are invited to join us with this delicious food.
Let me show viewers updates. Viewers, this is the update. This is for the parents.
Delicious.
Manuela and Philip.
This soup will make you bite your finger. Delicious.
Please like, share, comment.
The soup is on my YouTube channel and the swallow is on my YouTube channel. How we prepared it.
Watch out for our previous video. How we prepared the soup and the fufu is also on our YouTube channel. Ooh, this is so strong. Yeah, this is so delicious.
Delicious.
Please subscribe if you are just seeing our beautiful faces.
Help us to share. Share.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Philip, bye-bye.
Share.
Share.
Press that red button.
See you in our next video.